Guys, so today I'll be showing us how to make our phone speak when we plug it to charge, and also when it is full, because most times we sleep and forget while charging our phone, and most times we just plug the phone and we go out to do one or two things and we forget that we're actually charging our phone, and most times the phone actually gets full and overcharged. So I'll be showing us how to make our phone announce to us. I think that's good. Make our phone announce to us when we plug it in, when it's charging, and when the phone is full. So please stay to the end of this video, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you want. Also, don't forget to let us know in the comment section if you want more videos like this. Thank you.
iPhone charging.
So guys, did you hear that? So I'll be showing you how to do that. So first, you go to shortcut, click on automation and click on create personal automations. Now scroll down to charger, click on charger, and then you click on next. So when you click on next, you click on add action, and then you type speak. So when you type speak, you're going to see speak text. You just click on speak test. Then next to it, you are going to see text. So you're going to type in what you want the phone to speak when you plug it in. So I'm just going to type iPhone charging. So you can type anything you like at all there, but I'm just going to be using iPhone charging. And then you click on done, and that is all. You can toggle off this ask before running. You can just toggle it off, and then you can toggle on notify when run, and that's all. So now there you have it. Your iPhone would always speak anytime you plug it in.
iPhone charging.
Okay, so now that's for when you plug your phone to charge. So now let us go to making our phone speak when the phone is actually full.
So go to your shortcuts, click on automation, and then click on the create personal automation, and then you scroll down, click on battery level. When you click on battery level, you increase it to the percent you want it to announce when it is charged. I'm going to do 80% because I like removing my charger once it is 80%. So now just click on next, and when you click on next, click on add action. When you click on add action, you're going to type in speak test. So when you type in your speak test, remember how we did it the first time, you're going to click on that test, and then you're going to type what you want it to announce once it gets to that percent. I'm just going to type I am 80% charged. So it's going to announce to me once it is once my phone is on 80%. Then you click on next, and then you click on done. Toggle off ask before running, then toggle on notify when run, and that is it. Now your phone will announce to you once it is fully charged. Bye.